The Model T Revolution. Henry Ford's vision for affordable mobility. At the turn of the 20th century, the automotive industry was in its infancy, marked by a handful of manufacturers producing expensive and often unreliable vehicles. It was in this landscape that Henry Ford, an American industrialist, envisioned a car that would be affordable, reliable, and accessible to the masses. Henry Ford's dream was to create a car that would democratize mobility. He believed in making automobiles not just a luxury for the wealthy, but a practical mode of transportation for ordinary people. This vision led to the development of the Model T. Work on the Model T began in earnest in 1906, and after several years of experimentation and refinement, the first Model T was introduced to the public on October 1, 1908. It was a revolutionary vehicle, featuring a simple and sturdy design that prioritized functionality and durability over extravagance. One of the key innovations that set the Model T apart was Ford's implementation of assembly line production in 1913. The moving assembly line was introduced at the Ford Highland Park plant, streamlining the manufacturing process and drastically reducing production time. This innovation not only made the Model T more affordable, but also transformed the manufacturing industry as a whole. With the introduction of assembly line production, the cost of manufacturing the Model T plummeted. This cost reduction was passed on to consumers, making the Model T the first truly affordable automobile. The initial price of the Model T was $850, a fraction of the cost of other cars on the market. The affordability of the Model T had a transformative effect on American society. It brought about a new era of personal transportation, liberating people from the constraints of distance and revolutionizing travel. The Model T became a symbol of the American spirit, representing innovation, progress, and the idea that ordinary people could enjoy the benefits of technological advancements. The success of the Model T was not confined to the United States. Ford's assembly line methods and the mass production of affordable cars became a blueprint for the automotive industry worldwide. The Model T's influence reached far beyond its time, shaping the way cars were manufactured and sold for decades to come. The Model T's production spanned from 1908 to 1927, during which time over 15 million units were sold. Its longevity and widespread adoption solidified its place in history as one of the most influential and iconic cars ever produced. The Model T's legacy is not just in its numbers, but in the profound impact it had on mobility, industry, and the very fabric of society. The debut of the Model T marked a pivotal moment in automotive history. Henry Ford's vision of making cars affordable and accessible to everyone revolutionized the industry and had far-reaching implications for society. The Model T not only put America on wheels, but also set the stage for the democratization of personal transportation on a global scale, leaving an indelible mark on the history of automobiles and manufacturing.